Hi guys, today we'll be making cookies. So here are all my ingredients. We have icing sugar, butter, milk, any milk of your choice. We have baking powder, baking flour, and corn flour. Then we have sieve. We'll be sieving the corn flour and the baking flour. So here we have our sieved baking flour, sieved corn flour. Now the first thing to do is to mix your butter and icing sugar. You're going to cream the two together. You get a bowl. If you don't have a mixer, you get a bowl and a turning stick just like this. Butter goes in. Then this is icing sugar. So here we have our mixed icing sugar and butter. We'll be going in with our milk. You can worry. Well, go back. So this is our baking flour. Corn flour. So this is what our dough looks like. You can see. I forgot to show you where I added water and small salt. Just a little salt. Then you can add water to the texture you want. As you add, just add little by little and keep filling it, okay? So grease your pan. You will need a well-greased pan for the baking. Ensure that you grease your pan. So this is what it looks like now. And this is ready for baking. We are going to be placing now in the oven for 15 minutes. Cookie is so yummy, but because it's my first trial, it's looking a bit burnt. Don't worry, next time we'll time it better.